Hello everyone, this is Rekha Baretia welcoming you all in the maths class. Today is the fourth session of playing with numbers. In the previous class, we studied about factors and multiples, prime and composite numbers, and tests of divisibilities. Today, we are going to study about the common factors and common multiples, how to find common factors of the given numbers and how to find common multiples of the given numbers. Before that, I am defining some terms which we are going to use in the exercise. Those are, first term is co-prime numbers. What are co-prime numbers? Two numbers having only one as a common factor are called co-prime numbers. अगर किसी दो नंबर का सिर्फ वन ही कॉमन फैक्टर है तो वो नंबर co-prime numbers होंगे. Next is twin primes. Two prime numbers whose difference is 2 are called twin primes. ऐसे दो प्राइम नंबर जिनका डिफरेंस 2 है उनको कहते हैं ट्विन प्राइम्स. लेट्स टेक सम क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम exercise 3.4. Question number 1. See what is given in the question. Question is, find the common factors of A part is 20 and 28 and I am taking D part, that is 56 and 120. Let's see how we can find the common factors. Dear students, in earlier class I told you how to find the factor of given number. So let's see the A part. In A part the numbers are 20 and 28. So first take 20. 20 can be written as 1 multiply 20. 1 multiply 20. 20 is equal to 2 multiply 10. 20 is equal to 4 multiply 5. 4 के बाद 5 आता है, 5 के बाद 6 से डिवाइड नहीं होता नंबर और 7 से नहीं होगा, 8 से नहीं होगा, फिर वापस 10 आ जाएगा. सो यू आर हैविंग ओनली फैक्टर्स ऑफ 20 आर 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, 20. Now take the next number. Next number is 28. 28 can be written as 1 into 28, 2 multiply 14 and 4 multiply 7. So factors of 28 are 1, 2, 4, 7, 14 and 28. Children, here you can see some numbers are written in blue color. These numbers are common in both factors of 20 and factors of 28. What are common? 1 is common, 2 is common and 4 is common. So common factors are 1, 2, 4. Okay? In this way you have to find the common factors of a given number. Let's take the next part so you can understand clearly. Let's see. The numbers are 56 and 120. First of all, take 56. 56 is equal to 1 multiply 56, 2 multiply 28, 4 multiply 14, 56 is equal to 7 multiply 8. So factors of 56 are 1, 2, 4, 7, 8, 14, 28 and 56. Now take the next number. Next number is 120. 120 is equal to 1 multiply 120, 2 multiply 60, 3 multiply 40, 4 multiply 30, 5 multiply 24, 6 multiply 20, 8 multiply 15 and 10 multiply 12. So factors of 120 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 10, 12, 15, 20, 24, 30, 40, 60 and 120. Now see in the factors which numbers are common. The numbers written in blue color. 1 is common, 2 is common, 4 is common and 8 is common. So common factors are 1, 2, 4, 8. Okay, next see the next question. Next question is find the common factors of 4, 8 and 12. Children, in the previous question we have taken only 2 numbers. Now we have to see in the case of 3 numbers what are the common factors. So again take one number at a time and find the factors. Let's see. First take 4. 4 can be written as 4 multiply 1 multiply 4, 2 multiply 2. So factors of 4 are 1, 2, 4. Next take 8. 8 can be written as 1 multiply 8, 2 multiply 4. So factors of 8 are 1, 2, 4, 8. Then take 12. 12 is equal to 1 multiply 12, 2 multiply 6, 3 multiply 4. So factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Now see the common numbers. The numbers which are present in all the 3. जो numbers तीनों के factors में common हैं वो numbers common factors होंगे. So let's see. 1, 2 is common and 4 is common. So common factors are 1, 2, 4. Okay. Next question number 3 is find first 3 common multiples. Now you have to find the common multiples, and as you know multiples are infinite. So you have to write up to the numbers, up to the multiples till you get 3 common. 3 common multiples till you get up to that number you have to write. Okay. Let's see the A part. A part is 6 and 8. You know multiples of 8, that means you have to write the table of that number. Multiples of 6 is 6 का table, और 6 टेंसा के बाद भी आपको करना है 6 into 11, 6 into 12 and so on. So let's take multiples of 6 are 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60, 66, 72 and 78. Take the multiples of 8. 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72, 80 and 88. Now see the common numbers. The numbers which are written in blue color are common. So you can see first number is 24 present in both, then 48 is present in both and 72 is present in both. So common multiples, first 3 common multiples are 24, 48 and 72. Take the next question. In the next question, the numbers are 12 and 18. Once again, write the multiples of 12. So multiples of 12 is equal to 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72, 84, 108, 120, 132 and 144. Now write the multiples of 18. Multiples of 18 are 18, 36, 54, 72, 90, 108, 126 and 144. Now see the common numbers. Common are 36, 72 and 108. So common multiples are 36, 72 and 108. In this way, you can find the common multiples of given numbers. Now question number 4. See what is written here. Write all the numbers less than 100 which are common multiples of 3 and 4. You have to write the multiples of 3 and 4, then you have to find the common multiples of 3 and 4, and you have to write the numbers which are less than 100. That means you have to write the common multiples of 3 and 4 that are less than 100. 100 से छोटे और 3 और 4 का कॉमन मल्टीपल्स होना चाहिए. ऐसे नंबर्स आपको लिखने हैं. लेट्स सी. Okay, let's write first of all the multiples of 3 and multiples of 4. So multiples of 3 means 3 का टेबल. So 3 को आप 1 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, फिर 2 से, फिर 3 से, फिर 4 से and so on till you get the number less than 100. Okay, so multiples of 3 are 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 33, 36, 39, 42, 45, 48, 51, 54, 57, 60, 63, 66, 69, 72, 75, 78, 81, 84, 87, 90, 93, 96 and 99. ये सब नंबर कैसे आए हैं? हमने 3 को मल्टीप्लाई किया है सारे नंबर्स से, 1 से, 2 से, 3 से एंड सो ऑन. नाउ राइट द मल्टीपल्स ऑफ 4. मल्टीपल्स ऑफ 4 आर 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40, 44, 48, 52, 56, 60, 64, 68, 72, 76, 80, 84, 88, 92, 96 and 100. Okay. Now find the common numbers between these multiples. The common are 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72, 84 and 96. So you can see common multiples is equal to 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72, 84 and 96. Next question is, which of the following numbers are co-prime? Children, in the starting of the session, I told you what are co-prime numbers. Co-prime numbers are the numbers which are having common factor only 1. जिनका सिर्फ कॉमन फैक्टर 1 होता है, वह वो नंबर क्या होते हैं? को-प्राइम नंबर्स. तो हम चेक करते हैं ये क्वेश्चन जिनमें दिए हैं 18 और 35 और डी पार्ट में 17 और 68. इनमें से कौन से को-प्राइम नंबर्स हैं? लेट्स चेक. सी, आई एम टेकिंग ए पार्ट 18 and 35. So as you know, you have to find the common factors first. For finding the common factors, you have to find factors. So first find the factors of 18. 18 is equal to 1 multiply 18. 2 multiply 9, 3 multiply 6. So factors of 18 are 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18. Now take 35. 35 is equal to 1 multiply 35, 5 multiply 7. So factors of 35 is equal to 1, 5, 7 and 35. Now see the common factors. Only common number is 1, so common factor is only 1. और क्योंकि सिर्फ 1 ही common factor है, so 18 and 35 are co-prime numbers. 18 and 35 are co-prime. Next, see the next one, D part. In D part, numbers are 17 and 68. So let's see. First, write the factors of 17. Factors of 17, 1 multiply 17. As you know, 17 is a prime number, so it is having only two factors, 1 and 17. Then take 68. 68 is equal to 1 into 68, 2 into 34 and 4 into 17. So factors of 68 are 1, 2, 4, 17, 34 and 68. Now find the common factors. Here you can see 1 is common and 17 is common. So common factors are 1 and 17. And children, as you know, here common factor is 1 and 17. 1 से ज़्यादा कॉमन फैक्टर हैं तो ये कोप्राइम नहीं होंगे. So 17 and 68 are not coprime. Next, a number is divisible by both 5 and 12. By which other number will that number be always divisible? एक नंबर है जो 5 और 12 दोनों से डिवाइड हो रहा है. अब आपको चेक करना है कि वो और किस नंबर से डिवाइड होगा. by which other number will that will be divisible. तो क्या करेंगे, क्योंकि देखो 5 और 12 इसमें कॉमन फैक्टर क्या होगा, सिर्फ 1. तो इनको अगर आप मल्टीप्लाई कर दोगे तो इसका कॉमन मल्टीपल आ जाएगा और उससे वो जो नया नंबर होगा वो उससे डिवाइड होगा. आप चेक कर सकते हैं. लेट्स सी आई एम टेकिंग 120. लास्ट में 0 है, सो इट इज़ डिविजिबल बाय 5. 5 से डिवाइड होगा. देन 120, so 12 into 10. 12 tens are 120. So it is divisible by 12 also. Now multiply 5 and 12. What you will get? You will get 12 5s are 60. अब चेक करो 120 60 से डिवाइड होता है क्या? 120 divisible by 60. डिवाइड करके देखेंगे. Yes, 62 120. So you can see it is divisible by 60 also. So if a number is divisible by 5 and 12, then it is divisible by 60, or you can say it is divisible by the common multiple. So answer is, a number is divisible by both 5 and 12, then it is divisible by common multiple of 5 and 12, that is 60. Question number 7. A number is divisible by 12. By what other numbers will that number be divisible? एक नंबर है जो 12 से डिवाइड होता है. अब ये नंबर और किस किस नंबर से डिवाइड होगा? लेट्स सी, लेट्स चेक. 24 है, एक नंबर है जो 12 से डिवाइड होता है ना. 12 2 24. अब देखते हैं 24 और किन किस किस नंबर से डिवाइड हो जाएगा? 1 से डिवाइड होगा, 2 से, यस 2 12 सा, 3 से, 3 के टेबल में आता है, 3 8 सा 24, 4 से, 4 6 सा 24, 5 से नहीं होगा, 6 से, 6 4 सा 24, और फिर 7 से नहीं होगा, 8 से होगा, और फिर 9 से नहीं होगा, 10 से नहीं होगा, 11 से नहीं होगा, किससे होगा? 12 से। तो अब ये चेक करिए, देखो 1 24 को भी डिवाइड करता है और 12 को भी डिवाइड करता है। 2 24 को भी डिवाइड कर रहा है, 12 को भी डिवाइड कर रहा है। 3 24 को भी कर रहा है, 12 को भी कर रहा है। 4 12 को भी कर रहा है, 24 को भी, और 6 12 को भी कर रहा है, 24 को भी। That means 1 2 3 4 6, all these are factors of 12. So if a number is divisible by 12, then that number will be divisible by its factors also. यानी factors, किसके factors? 12 के factors से भी वो number divide होगा. So the answer will be, a number is divisible by 12, then it will be divisible by factors of 12. That means the number will be divisible by 1 2 3 4 6. Understood? Okay, next move to the next question. Next we are having some more divisibility rules. Children, till now we have studied divisibility test, how to check the number is divisible by 2 or divisible by 3, divisible by 4, divisible by 5, divisible by 6, 8, 10, 9 and 11. Now there are some more rules by which you can check the number is divisible or not. Let's see. The first rule. What is the first rule? If a number is divisible by another number, then it is divisible by each of the factors of that number. अगर कोई एक नंबर किसी दूसरे नंबर से डिवाइड हो रहा है तो वो उसके फैक्टर्स से भी डिवाइड होगा. जस्ट नाउ वी सॉ इन द फर्स्ट प्रीवियस क्वेश्चन, जो नंबर 24 12 से डिवाइड हो रहा था और 24 12 के फैक्टर्स से भी डिवाइड हो रहा था. इसी तरह कोई भी नंबर दिया हो तो अगर वो किसी नंबर से डिवाइड होता है तो उसके फैक्टर्स से भी डिवाइड होगा. सेकेंड, if a number is divisible by two co-prime numbers, then it is divisible by their product also. अगर कोई एक नंबर दो को-प्राइम नंबर्स से डिवाइड होता है तो वो उसके प्रोडक्ट से भी डिवाइड होगा. को-प्राइम नंबर्स मीन्स जिनका कॉमन फैक्टर सिर्फ 1 है. तो अगर उससे डिवाइड हो रहा है, दो नंबर से दोनों को-प्राइम है उनसे डिवाइड हो रहा है तो उनको मल्टीप्लाई करके जो आंसर आएगा उससे भी डिवाइड होगा. हमने अभी चेक किया था, इसके पहले क्वेश्चन में चेक किया था. एक नंबर 5 और किससे डिवाइड हो रहा था? 12 से, और वो नंबर 60 से भी डिवाइड हो रहा था. कौन सा नंबर दिया था हमने? 120. 120 5 से भी डिवाइड होता है, 12 से भी डिवाइड होता है. और 5 और 12 क्या हैं? 5 और 12 को प्राइम नंबर्स हैं. तो को प्राइम नंबर्स का मल्टीप्लिकेशन मतलब 60. तो ये 120 60 से भी डिवाइड होगा. इस रूल का मतलब यही है. ओके, नेक्स्ट मूव टू द नेक्स्ट रूल. Rule number 3. What it says? If two given numbers are divisible by a number, then their sum is also divisible by that number. अगर दो given number हैं और वो किसी नंबर से डिवाइड हो रहे हैं तो उनका सम भी उस नंबर से डिवाइड होगा. लेट्स चेक. if two given numbers are divisible by a number, they see 6 is divisible by 3 and 9 is divisible by 3. अब देखते हैं 6 + 9. 6 + 9 is equal to 15, or 15 is also divisible by 3. So इस रूल के हिसाब से अगर दो नंबर जैसे 6 और 9 3 से डिवाइड हो रहे हैं तो उनका सम 15 भी 3 से डिवाइड होगा. Likewise, you can take any other examples also. So in this rule, if two numbers are given and they are divisible by a given number, then they are divisible by their sum is divisible by that number. Okay, see rule number 4. If two given numbers are divisible by a number, then their difference is also divisible by that number. सम तो डिवाइड होता ही है, डिफरेंस इज ऑल्सो. अगर कोई दो नंबर हैं और वो किसी एक नंबर से डिवाइड हो रहे हैं तो उनको माइनस करेंगे तो वो भी उस नंबर से डिवाइड होगा. लेट्स चेक. टेक एनी नंबर. लेट्स टेक 22. नहीं, 33. लेट्स सी 33. आई एम टेकिंग 33. 33 is 11 by divisible by 11. 22 is also divisible by 11. Then find the difference. Difference is 33 minus 22 is 11. And you can see, yes, 11 is divisible by 11. So you saw that if two given numbers are divisible by a number, then their difference is also divisible by that number. Okay. So students, I think you have understood the rules, how to find common factors, how to find common multiples, co-prime numbers. Okay student, in the next session we will study about prime factorization and factor tree and high HCF of the numbers. Thank you very much, dear students.